Good day to everyone. Today what we're going to learn here is how to shut down your PC by sliding your screen. I've already made a shortcut, so I'll just get this deleted. Okay, and so we start. You go to new, and from new you go to shortcuts. You see this click shortcut, and okay, let's do this once again. Let me just close this. Okay, you right click, go to new, and go to shortcut. In shortcut you type slide to shut down. Let me just, I've actually already written this so you can see this there. Just type slide to shut down and click next. After next you can put any random name you want. This is basically your name that will show over there. I'll just put my name here. I mean the name that I want to put it. PC, yeah, okay, and click finish, and voila, here you have your slide to shut down shortcut. Double click it and you just pull this down and your PC will shut down. I'm not shutting down the PC because my entire recording will go will ruin my recording. So yeah, this is done. All the best, and tune in and subscribe for more new tips and tricks same as this one. All the best. Take care.